Today we come to the sixth hymn in our series of traditional hymns and songs, and the hymn is The Voice That Breathed, O Eden. The author of this hymn is John Keble. He wrote the hymn in 1857. The hymn is sung generally at weddings. Keble was born in 1792 in Gloucestershire. His father, also known as John Keble, was the vicar of Cairn St Albans. John and his brother Thomas were educated at home by their father until each went to Oxford. In 1806, Keble won a scholarship to Corpus Christi College in Oxford. He excelled in his studies and in 1810 achieved double first-class honours in both Latin and mathematics. In 1811, he won the university prizes for both English and Latin essays and became a fellow of Oriel College. He was for some years a tutor and examiner at the University of Oxford. While still at Oxford, he was ordained in 1816, becoming a curate to his father. On the death of his mother in 1823, he left Oxford and returned to live with his father and two surviving sisters. Between 1824 and 1835, he was 3 times offered a position and each time declined on the ground that he ought not separate from his father and only surviving sister. We shall now listen to the hymn sung by the CSI SKD Church. May God bless you. Amen.
Most